How does cheap wood transform into a musical instrument of multiplied value? The answer lies in the workshop of Lahir. As a renowned local light industry workshop, the hand drums it produces are even exported. Pakistan, with its abundant wood resources, is extremely particular about the raw materials used in hand drum production. Not only does it require the wood to be strong, but it also requires a diameter of at least 30 centimeters to meet production requirements. As for the specific wood used, it's not really a matter of fact. I'm not familiar with this topic, so if anyone with knowledge can share their insights, please feel free to share. After the raw materials have been initially cut according to the design requirements, now it's time to begin the final finishing process. Here, Lal Ba uses his feet to control the cutting tool to complete the rough surface finishing. Not wearing shoes allows for more precise control of force, which is key to the master's ability to quickly complete the rough finishing. To ensure the best possible instrument, the entire drum body is formed using a one-piece molding process. A single piece of wood can only be processed into one hand drum. While it produces better results than a spliced one, both labor and raw material costs rise dramatically. The natural paint applied to the wooden drum's surface creates a uniquely local rainbow color scheme. The delicate lines are sure to capture the hearts of many music lovers. The middle section of the wood is then separated with tools. Without any positioning tools, the entire process relies entirely on experience, requiring a strong memory from the master. The work is so high that only the workshop's most skilled technicians can personally ensure the quality of the bones. Meanwhile, the assistants in the leather workshop are also busy. They are methodically processing the raw materials brought back from the slaughterhouse. Because the ancient surface material workshop uses cowhide to save on production costs, they don't buy ready-made leather and instead process it themselves using fresh cowhide. While it's a bit tedious, thankfully, with the large staff in the workshop today, everyone's working in harmony. The entire processing process is not slow at all. The processed cowhide is fixed in a homemade mold and placed outside in the sun to air dry and remove excess moisture. Before installation, this is done to prevent damage. The dried cowhide is first soaked in clean water to regain some softness, making it easier to stretch and install the bone surface. The necessary parts are all purchased locally. Simply place the inner ring on the cowhide and then install a fixed outer ring. With two locking rings securing the shape, it's virtually impossible for the leather to fall off, except for damage. Now, the fixed bone surface can be placed on the bone shaft. Use a blade to clean the excess, ensuring every detail is perfect before the product leaves the factory. Each handcrafted instrument made of genuine materials is completed, and the future will bring Lao Ba a rich spiritual strength.